2 years and 4 days after his wife Maya went missing, Larry Millete is in court to find out if the murder charges against him will go to trial. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Day one of what's expected to be up to 2 weeks of testimony in the preliminary hearing wrapped up late this afternoon in a downtown courtroom.
CBS 8's Richard Allen breaks down what we learned today and looks ahead to what we hope to learn tomorrow.
You never expect to hang up the phone and be in a situation where, everything's changed for their family. And there's just certain things about that will live with me forever.
Destiny Johnson, the prosecution's first witness, works at the divorce attorney's office that Maya Millete called on January 7th, 2021, the same day that Maya went missing.
She did not want to do the appointment in person. Because she was afraid that, she would be followed.
Johnson testified that Maya, a mother of 3, was afraid of her husband Larry Millete's reaction if he found out that she was seeking a divorce.
The fact that she didn't have any access to money, she wasn't feeling safe to come to our office in person, those things all kind of told me that this is not a normal divorce.
While Johnson had urged Maya to come in the following day, she said Maya was adamant that she could not come in until after a family trip to Big Bear to celebrate her daughter's birthday.
I knew that she was looking so forward to the trip with her children, and she didn't get to go.
The most emotional moment in Wednesday's preliminary hearing when Johnson testified she felt remorse for emailing Maya an intake form from the law office indicating Maya was seeking a divorce.
I feel like that was maybe something that was discoverable, and it has made me question my role. And for that, I'm just not going to forget it.
Today's hearing also provided a look for the first time inside the Millete's home, as forensic specialist David Garber with Chula Vista Police discussed the photos he took while carrying out a search warrant on January 23rd, 2 weeks after Maya's disappearance, pointing out damage in the home's bathroom and master bedroom.
There was damage to the door leading to the main bedroom.
The prosecution also pointedly asked Garber if any clothing or makeup or other personal items appeared to have been removed or were missing.
The closet appeared to be completely full of clothing. Nothing seemed to be out of the ordinary, in my view.
One of the biggest challenges in prosecuting this case, the fact that Maya's body has never been found. Criminal defense expert Gretchen von Helms.
Right, because there's no body and because there's a lot of different explanations for where she might be, a defense attorney would be very able to defend this case. Not that the prosecutor won't, at the end of the day, obtain a conviction depending on what evidence they have, but it's proof beyond a reasonable doubt.
And remember to stay with CBS 8 for the very latest developments on this case. We will have updates posted on CBS8.com as well as on your favorite social media platforms.